In this rare capture, a centipede goes up against a sundew. Usually a centipede is one of nature's most ferocious predators, packed with venom and going after other insects in the garden. But how can it deal against a sundew, one of nature's most effective carnivorous plants? Though it's not just sundews that catch centipedes, my Venus flytraps as well can catch some of the larger garden varieties, as seen here in this short clip. Centipedes can inject their venom into the tentacles of the sundew. However, the more wriggling the centipede does, it triggers a response from the plant that ultimately leads to its capture. As the insect's stress responses kick in, it drinks the sundew's glue, trying to hydrate itself to give it more energy to escape. However, this just triggers the sundew to become more effective. And the more wriggling, the more the plant responds. So I now switch to a time-lapse taken over 2 hours, and we can see exactly what happens and how escape is almost impossible for a creature of this size. You'll notice as the creature struggles, the dewdrops close in more quickly, ensuring to secure the prey so it doesn't get free. This centipede has very little chance. It's just too small against such a big Cape sundew. The centipede is almost fully entangled, and it's difficult to tell the centipede from the leaf itself and from the dewdrops. But a few hours later, it has managed to work itself slightly free. However, it's not enough, and it succumbs to the plant, as I take the opportunity for an extreme macro detail shot. Thanks for watching!
Mr. Naked Landscaper.